Hello children. Today we are going to learn about shapes. We all see different things and objects of different shapes in our homes. So, children, after learning shapes today, you all will find out different objects of different shapes in your homes and tell about them to your mom. Now, are you all ready to learn about shapes with me? So here we go. This is a circle. Which shape is this? Circle. See the spelling with me. C-I-R-C-L-E, circle. Which shape is this? Circle. This is a circle. Now let's see about different objects of this shape. Balloon. Balloon is of circular shape. Wheel. Wheel is of a circular shape. Cherries. Cherries are also of circular shape. Bangle. You all must have seen bangles in your mom's hand. And what is the shape of bangle? Circle. Yes. Now, this is a coin. And coin is also of circular shape. This is your lovely candy. This is also of circular shape. This is plate. Plate is also of circular shape. Pizza. Pizza. It is also of circular shape. Button. It is of circular shape. Cat's face. It is also of circular shape. And ball. Ball is also of circular shape. So you can see I have shown you many objects, many things which are of circle shape. And you all can see many other things at your home. Now, let's see rectangle. Which shape is this? Rectangle. Now see the spelling. R-E-C-T-A-N-G-L-E. Rectangle. Which shape is this? Rectangle. Now let's see different things of this shape. Yes. What is this? Yes, it is a book. What is this? It is a book. So, you all can see the shape of the book. It is of rectangular shape. And what is this? Yes, television. What is this? Television. So, you all can see here, it is of rectangular shape. And can you tell me what is this? This is a CPU. What is this? CPU. You all must have seen it with your computers. Yes, it is of which shape? Rectangle shape. Very good. Now, what is this? This is a door. This is a door. And can you tell me what is the shape of the door? Yes, rectangle. Very good. Now, you all have this in your home. What is this? Fridge. Very good. What is this? Fridge. And you all can see it is also of rectangular shape. Now, what is this? Have you seen it with your computers? Yes? What is this? This is a keyboard. This is a keyboard. And what is the shape of this? Rectangle. Very good. Now, move to the next shape. Square. What is this shape? Square. This is a square. S-Q-U-A-R-E, square. Now, let's see the things related to this shape. What is this? Yes, carom board. What is this? Carom board. Yes. What's the shape of carom board? Yes, it is of square shape. Now it is cushion. It is a cushion and it is of square shape. Now what is this? Window. This is a window. You all can see it is also of a square shape. What is this? Dice. What do you play with dice? Yes, Ludo or snakes and ladder. Very good, very good. So this is a dice and it is also of square shape. Now what is this? This is a clock. You can see clock in different shapes, but this clock is of square shape. Yes. And what is this? Chessboard. What is this? Chessboard. Have you seen your elder brothers or sisters playing chess? Yes? Yes, chess is also of square shape. And this is a gift box. What is this? A gift box. You all can see it is of square shape here. Yes. Now, this is a triangle. Which shape is this? Triangle. See? Triangle. Triangle. Which shape is this? This is a triangle. Now see, this is a birthday cap. What is the shape of this? Yes, it is of triangular shape. It is of triangular shape. And these are your favorites. What is this? Sandwich. And you all can see it is of triangle shape. Now what is this? Hanger. What is this? Hanger. It is of triangular shape. Now this is, yes, what is this? Yes, pizza slice. And this is also of triangular shape. Now this is a slice of a watermelon and it is also of triangular shape. And this is a Christmas tree. This is a Christmas tree and this is also of a triangular shape. And we can see other trees also of this shape. And this is your favorite ice cream cone. And this ice cream cone is of triangular shape. Ice cream cone is of triangular shape. Now, which shape is this? No, this is not circle. This is oval. What is this shape? Oval. O-V-A-L, oval. This is oval shape. Now see different things of this shape. You all must have seen egg. Is it of circle shape? Is it of circle shape? No. It is of oval shape. It is of oval shape. And this balloon is also of oval shape. Yes? And face of this child is also of oval shape. This mirror is also of oval shape. And this watermelon is also of oval shape. Now it's activity time. Here I will tell you some activities that you will do with paper, pencil and colors. In this activity 1, you all are supposed to draw different things with circles. Like you can draw angry bird face, you can draw a sun, a ball. Here I have told you how to draw a kettle and a candy. You can draw different other things also. And in activity 2, I've shown you how you can draw different faces of lion with different shapes. Here you can draw the lion's face using square shape. Here you can use triangle shape and here you can use circle shape. So I hope you all will enjoy these activities. And do find objects of different shapes in your home and tell about them to your moms.